guys, today we are going to evaluate text details and evidence, which means we're looking for text evidence to support our inference. And when we want to find those details that support our inference, we want to find the just right details, not the crazy ones with all these extra fillings and fluff. We just want to make sure we find the just right one. So I like to think of it as cookies. You want the just right cookie. You don't want a cookie that has sprinkles. I mean, you really do. But that stuff, that's just extra, and we don't want extra. We want the just right. So when we think about details, we want to find the just right cookie. So the first step we do is we look in the text and we find as many details as we can to support that inference. Our second step is we choose the strongest detail. We find the strongest detail that proves the inference, that repeats in the text, and is very specific and is talking exactly about what the inference is saying. And then step 3, if those details don't support that inference, then guess what? We have to either change our inference or find new details. Okay? So, once again, our first step is we find as many clues in the text that support our inference. Our second step is we look for the strongest or that just right cookie that proves the inference, that repeats in the text, and is very specific. And step 3, we check our details and our inference. If they don't work out, we can either choose new details or make a whole new inference. All right, guys, we're going to watch Ms. Martins do this right now. So make sure that we are looking for those 3 steps and that she's following along. All right? Bye, guys.